If time to leave in calendar is not working on your iPhone and it's grayed out, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is just go to settings, scroll down and find privacy and security, tap on it. And now here what you have to do, you have to tap on location services, scroll down and find system services, tap on it. And now make sure the location based alerts is turned on. Okay, share my location is turned on. Whatever the location based setting should be turned on. Okay, ideally you can turn everything on. Now go back and see if there is calendar in this list of apps. And sometime that even after doing these things, this problem is still there. It may show the message that the calendar does not have access to your precise location. In that case, make sure that the network is not missing, because if the network is not there, even if Wi-Fi is there, but the network, mobile network is not there, then your calendar will not have access to your precise location. So in my case, I have taken out the SIM card to show you this. So let's put the SIM card again inside this, and this problem will disappear. Okay, so this is also one of the way where this problem will disappear. Just make sure the mobile network is working. So let me show you. As soon as the network reappears, okay, as soon as the network reappears, yeah, it has reappeared. Let's go to that page again. It's not there. Let's go back, go to privacy and security again. Here the calendar is now there. Tap on it. If nothing is there, then tap on location services. If the calendar is not there, try to open calendar once again. Here say allow while using the app, allow. Now when you will go, you will see the calendar is there and while using is selected. Okay. Okay. Now when you will go to that same setting again, it says that you can toggle that on. Thanks for watching. Please do like.